welcome back, my friends. Welcome back, family. Hey, I just wanted to say, if I could save you some time, why not? Save you time on your everyday tasks, save you some time at work by using ChatGPT. Now, we use ChatGPT 4, just so you guys know, okay? ChatGPT 4 is the paid version. So if you've been following, I've been doing a little series here on fun little ChatGPT hacks, plugins, stuff like that. So I'm going to continue the series here, and I'm going to next plugin that you guys are going to dig is you can actually play games now. Now, it's not, don't get crazy. It's not like you guys can play Halo or, I know I'm outdating myself, but Halo or any of that kind of stuff. So what you can do is you can go to plugins, right? You're going to click here. You're going to go down here. Now, I just want to let you know, you can only use 3 plugins at a time. You see, I've been doing plugins all day. So we're going to go to the store. You always want to go here, okay, to all. And in here, just put games, okay? Mini games. Here's a bunch of mini games here. The fun one that everybody loves to do, obviously, is what? Chess, right? So, boom, there it is. So, you can install chess. Once it installs, it's going to pop up here. You'll see it. And then you can actually play chess. Now, which is pretty tight. So, now, what you want to do is go down here and say, let's play a game of chess, right? So there it goes. It's using the chess. Now let's get a game of chess. Please, which level you like to play? Beginner, intermediate, advanced, and it shows the ELO rating of 13.5, 1500, 2000, 2500, or 20. It's good for grandmasters and stuff like that. So, and you want to play as white or black. So down here, we're going to click as 1. Okay, and then we're going to click black. Okay. Boom. Now, check this out. It's using the chess plugin, which is right there. And here it is. So now it's telling me it's my move. So, all right, now it's telling me my move, right? So, oops. So now let's do using, okay, so E6. Okay, so we have to, sorry. So you got to go, so down here, go, then you go E7. Slight misunderstanding, no move should be written as standard algebra, so no comma, so like E5, E6, okay, fine. So we're going to go with, I don't know, I don't play, so I don't know. Let's do 6D, right? So 6D. 6D. Oops. Oh, I already moved, my bad. Seems like there's a little bit, if you're trying to move the pawn to the C, it kind of explains how to do it. So 6D, the correct number would be D6. Sorry, so let's try that. So D6, my bad. Sorry, Mr. Chess Dude. So now, here it goes. Now it's going to make my move to there. So it made his move, right? So that's mine here. That's that move there. So you can keep playing, which is pretty cool, right? And then another thing you can do is you can actually say, thank you. Please teach me how to play. I'm a beginner. I have to help you. See, it's going to explain the pieces, each move differently. So now it goes into explaining how to play. So a pawn, rook, a knight, bishop, queen, king. And then you control the center. So basic strategies, you want to control, develop your pieces, get knights and bishops in the game early, king safety, pawn structure, boom, 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 boom. So it kind of goes through how to play it. So I think it's pretty cool. And then there's other games on there too as well. So let it do its thing. Let it run through. So practice is one of the best ways to improve. Remember, chess is it's a deep game. So there you go. Would you like to continue the current game, or do you have any specific questions or scenarios you'd like to discuss? Pretty cool, right? No. Let's see. Thank you. I'm gonna go to bed. See what it tells me. It says, you're welcome. Glad I could introduce you to the basic chess. Have a good night. Rest. If you want to continue learning how to play the game, feel free to come back anytime. So, and then you could actually go into, so let's go back into plugins, right? Let's go into here. Let's go down here. We're going to unplug chess. Let's go in the plugin store. And what else do we have? Oop, all checkers. It's right there. So let's click there. Okay, cool. So let's go play a game of checkers. Boom. Install there. So it's going to install. There it is. It's installed. So now let's go play a game of checkers, guys. So let's play. So here we go. Now it's going to do checkers. So I'm just trying to show you guys that it could be fun. It's not all about work. It's not all about kill yourself and get it done. So now it seems like there was an issue starting the game of checkers. The service will be temporarily unavailable. Is there anything else? Like, oh, it's broken for now, I guess. It may be sleeping. So let's see if there's another chess board or checkers board. Let's see. Let's undo that one. Okay, let's go to plugin store. Let's go to all. Let's try, oops, not chess, checkers. So let's see if there's any other checkers. Oh, how sad. Yeah, so let's see if it actually will work. Try now. So it's trying to use the checkers. Let's see if it's going to actually allow it. It could be, yeah, it seems like it might be down right now. I don't know. How sad. Okay, well, at least we tried playing, right? So, again, kind of a little bit of fun. There's more games in there. I don't know what other games are actually in there, to be honest. Let's see. Fun games. Let's just do games. Play text-based games with your chat. Hangman, Tic-Tac-Toe, Adventure. Let's check it out. Let's see what happens. If it allows it. Oh, there it goes. It's going. So now it actually wants me to log in. So I'm going to push pause really quick. Well, it looked like that plugin wasn't working either. So it looks like they're updating actually some of the plugins right now. But I kind of just want to show you guys a little bit of how some of the games. Now, people are asking, so how do you delete stuff, right? So if you go in the plugin store, if you go actually, let me go back here. Let's go here. If we click chess, and then so if you're looking to delete one of the plugin, let's say you're trying to delete this checkers, right? So let's go, you click down here, go to the plugin store, you type in checkers, and you're going to see that it pulls up here. Just click uninstall, and it installs it for you, and you're good to go, and it comes right off, okay? Well, I just want to show you guys really quick on the fun little things that the plugins have with the ChatGPT, and you know, just not always so serious. So if you guys please click and smash that like button, come join us at our school, which is free. Links down below, where we show everything about ChatGPT and dive deeper into AI and ChatGPT 4 and the upcoming 5 and possibly 6 pretty soon. All right, guys, again, thank you for hanging out with me tonight. I appreciate you guys. You guys have a good night.